today we will be seeing how primary constructor works in C#12. So for this I have an example with the standard way of initializing the properties. So here is the record class. We have three properties and we have this constructor to initialize them. We have a print method to display the values, and then this is the main method to run the program. So when I run this, I'll get an error because of this. Now when I again run this, you'll see the output. So now let's convert this class to a primary constructor class. For this I'll be creating a class named employee records. So in that class I'll be having again these two methods just to initialize this class and to print the values. Also I'll be having three properties as the reference. Also, now to make a primary constructor, we don't have to create an constructor method like this, but rather we just need to create three parameters of this class itself like this, and then we will set them in the properties itself. So set them. So just after doing that, you will see that we have basically converted this many piece of code to just few lines of code here, which are basically doing the same thing. So now if I run this, so for that also I'll change the class name here, and then I'll be creating the object of this class. So now when I run, you'll see the values are getting initialized in this. Okay, so why are we not seeing the output? Okay, so now you'll see this is the output and the values are getting assigned by this. Okay, so I hope you might have understand what are primary constructor and how do we use them in the program. Thank you for watching till now.